At Achieve, we believe everyone should be able to like where they work. Our consulting services are created with this in mind. We want to help you and your organization develop and maintain healthy workplace culture. We utilize a strengths-based approach in our consulting work. This means we help participants and organizations focus on what can be accomplished based on their existing individual and organizational strengths. We also believe in helping people anchor their actions to their purpose and values. Our consultants come from a very diverse set of backgrounds. They're both specialists in their fields and skilled facilitators. Our aim is to match you with a consultant whose background and expertise fit your needs and workplace culture. Whether you need someone to help facilitate your next strategic plan, conduct a workplace climate assessment, or provide mediation or coaching, you can count on Achieve.